Hi guys, everything comes easier when there is an analogy. Let's see an analogy to our functions. Whatever programming languages, the structure of the program modules called functions may be similar. So, functions are just a place to do it and use it where or when required. Consider them as ovens where we bake. Wow, what an example! Return types of functions just specify what kind of output a function gives back. Think them as a cake delivered to a customer which we baked using our oven. Wow, what a cake! Arguments of functions help to produce the results. For example, cake by operating on them as an oven do. Consider ingredients for our cake given to the oven as arguments. For example, we have flour, we have egg, we have sugar, and we have ghee. Function body is the processing of oven taking to bake things in it. Function body is the place where we record the steps to bake the cake. Each steps help to process the ingredients for the cake. And the final result is a nice, yummy cake. Let's see this in action. Suppose we are filling up arguments like flour, sugar, and egg and ghee to our oven. Then what happens? Arguments are these things like flour, sugar, egg, and ghee. Our oven is the unit called function. It contains function body which helps to process the things like flour, sugar, egg and ghee, and it produces us with yummy cake. So the return type is our cake. Let's see. The syntax of a typical C program function is return type, function name, followed by the arguments in the bracket. Then we will have the function body where we write the code of the function of doing what. Then we will have a return statement, or we may not have it. It's accordingly to our logic whether we want to get a value back or not, followed by the closing braces. Here, see our example with a real-life situation. Cake is the return type. That means after the function is executed, we will surely get a cake. Here we have oven as our function name. Our function oven is used to process the ingredients to a cake. Now I'm including flour, ghee, sugar, and egg inside the function. That means I am passing all these things to the oven. Inside that, the function body is like bake the cake, where the cake inside the oven is made using the arguments flour, ghee, sugar, and egg. Finally, the return statement gives the output cake to the customer. So whenever we call this function cake by passing the arguments flour, ghee, sugar, and egg, it will return us a cake. The function name is oven. The return type is cake. The flour, ghee, sugar, and eggs are the arguments, and the function body contains the statements bake the cake and a return statement which after executing the cake oven function we will have a good cake. That's all. It's so simple when we study things using analogy. This is a powerful analogy to help you understand the functions. Hope you got the same. Thank you. If you like this video, please do subscribe the channel. Also share the video with your friends. Comment on your opinions. That's all folks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.